Hi, my name's Claudio Mucciacciaro. I am from Montreal, Canada. I work for Waymo. My role there, title-wise, is CAD application specialist. I basically support all the CAD users, all the different types of CAD applications as well, but basically around 3DX and CATIA. So I've been using CATIA for 12 years now. I started using CATIA again in CATIA V5. My oldest project was when I first started, and it was aircraft interiors, so for private jets. And I just thought that was very elaborate, very high class. And I was like, this is all done in CATIA, and I couldn't actually believe it at first. So that was my first project and the oldest project I can remember. So what I like most about CATIA is I think it's the versatility. You can do anything you can dream about or imagine in CATIA. A lot of my experience has come from using architectural input. So I would get architectural designs, models, even just drawings, and start from there. The most fun project I've done in CATIA, I used architectural designs to make a facade of a building in CATIA. So big architectural panel on the side of a building in Toronto. And that was something I've never seen done in CATIA before. And it was actually really cool to do. It was 1,800 panels designed in CATIA as stainless steel panels, which was a great experience and the coolest project I've done. The Champion program I find is a great way to meet people, help people, and collaborate and interact with people. I think it's awesome that we all do the same thing, but we all do it differently. I find the easiest way to stay in touch with CATIA users is, my favorite one is face-to-face, but that is not always possible. So swim community is where I pretty much get all my information, talk to people, and help out as much as I can.